Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Microsoft Store error 0x80073d10. Let's fix it guys. Fix one, you just need to reset the Microsoft Store cache. To do this, press Windows key and R key together and type here wsreset.exe. Click on OK. And once it's gone, Microsoft Store should restart. Open the Microsoft Store and try installing the app again guys. Fix 2 is to free up disk space. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. You just need to check mark all the boxes listed over here guys. Before that you get a pop-up. You just need to select the C drive and check mark all the boxes listed over here in just by checking and select the OK option and select delete files option. The process should be finished shortly. Fix 3 is to disable third-party antivirus temporarily. Third-party antivirus software can block the Microsoft Store from downloading or installing apps by flagging its process, leading to errors. Temporarily disabling it can help. To do this, you just need to simply open up your third-party antivirus software, get to the settings and find the option to disable the protection temporarily. Fix 4 is to re-register Microsoft Store. To do this, go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now check my video description for this PowerShell command. Just copy and paste the first command and press enter. After getting done, just to close stuff here. Fix 5 is to run SFC and DISM scans. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now check my video description for these commands. Just to copy and paste commands one by one guys. Right click on the tab and select Edit and paste it and press enter. You just need to wait for these commands to get 100% complete. After completing all the commands one by one, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. Fix 6 is to check time and date. To do this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select the clock and region and select date and time. Select the internet time option and select the change settings. We just need to make sure to check mark this synchronize with an internet time server. You just need to check mark it and select the update now option. And after getting successfully done, select OK and select OK and just close. If all of the above steps doesn't fix your problem, then fix 7 is to reinstall Microsoft Store. To do this, go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now we just need to check my video description for these two commands. Under PowerShell command, copy the command and paste it guys. This is the first command to uninstall the Microsoft Store. This is the second command to reinstall it. After finishing both commands, restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.